Oh my god, my incense tower is mad unsteady. But yeah, I just had a little burst up. I want to show y'all how to do this style. So y'all see what I have going on here. I have a high bun with some curly, with some of my hair out, and I slicked it up. And then I have this side. I wanted to make a little quick video and show you how to do it. So I combed this out with some Cream of Nature moisturizer. First I wet it, put some Cream of Nature, put my Honey and Comb Magical Hair Oil Fusion to seal in the moisture, and combed it out. So that's what's in here. And I'm gonna go in with some Style Factor Edge Booster to slick it all up. And yeah, so that's our next step. Let's go. And then we're gonna get this beautiful bun, braided, twisted, luscious looking form. So yeah, I put the Edge Booster in perimeter, all around. The sun is messing with our lights, but it don't matter. So yeah.
J-Dot.
Next step, brushing the slickness. And well, first I'll take some more and I'll pick it all up. Just first pick it all up like this, right? And then brush everything. Alright, so my arms. Okay.
J-Dot.
Have these edges on fleek. Okay, so then what I do is comb out the puff one last time. And then once it's combed out, I'm gonna separate again. And then I'm gonna take out a little bit of hair. That's a lot. Just like this. Yeah, so I'm gonna take out like that, so that I can do the same type of style like this right here. You see that? Alright, so it's already combed out, so we're just gonna braid her up. I should have closed my blinds. My curtains and my blinds so that the light wasn't interfering. But this, I'm explaining, so you know. Yeah, so now we're just braiding it up. Braiding it up. Give yourself a nice tight braid, because I'm going for 2 little cute buns today, not big poofy buns like I did in the Thanksgiving vlog. Whatever. So yeah, see that? A beautiful braid. We're gonna take her and we're gonna go around, bring her around town. Just like this. Just like that. See, she matching up to her sister. So it's a little bit more floofier on top, but that's cool. We're gonna get a hairpin. We're gonna pin her down. Right? We're gonna get another scrunchie. We're gonna secure her because we can't have our bun going nowhere throughout the day. Then we have our good sis here. Bring her to the front a little bit so she's matching. So I'm gonna wet this. That's how y'all know my hair is healthy. As soon as I wet it, she started reverting back. So proud of her. So proud of my hair. So this side y'all see is very close, and this side's hella long. So what we're gonna do is take some of the edge control and because I think I hate the little black stuff that be coming off of hairpins. Like, took out a lot of hair on this side, so I might tuck some away, but I'm doing good on time. I wanted to get this video to at least 10 minutes on the recording time, so I'm doing good. So I'm gonna twine it. Now I'm gonna just slick my edges. This side is way longer than this side, but who cares? Make it fashion. I don't really care. Both sides of my hair. So now we're gonna slick my hair, slick my edges. Y'all know I'm the queen of baby hairs, whatever. So we're about to get these baby hairs and slash edges together. If y'all want to see how I do my baby hairs and edges, go back to last year January. I have a video. I'm gonna link it right here, so y'all can see how I do my edges. It's really old. I'm gonna do an updated one. Y'all let me know in the comments or DM me. So let me know. I'm gonna slick them and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all the finished result.
We had to make a quick pit stop to get some gas because we just been riding kind of low. And so this night, it's like a weight lifted, huh?
So my vision is a lot different than this, but here's the finished result. Yeah, I wanted to show y'all in sunlight. Yo, I'm so crazy.